Hello dear students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's start our today's mathematics activity of standard 9th. And in today's activity we are having fun by finding out the probabilities of a die by throwing it 20 times. So let's have a fun with the lesson probability. Before starting the activity, you have to note down some important points. For writing an activity, you have to take A4 size paper, chart paper or any plain paper. Don't forget to mention your name, standard, section and roll number on it. After that, write down activity's name, objective and material required. And then do the process. And then at the end, you have to write down the learning outcomes. Now here in today's activity, we have to find the probability of throwing a die 20 times. Dear students, if you are not having die, you can prepare a die. Take a eraser or any square cuboid shape. Then put the dots such a way that their sum of the opposite faces should be 7. In this way you can prepare a die. How many total faces are there? 6. So if you are putting a dot 1, its opposite face must have a dot 6. If you are drawing 2 dots on one face, its opposite face must have a dot 5. So like this you can prepare your own die. Now the teaching objective is to understand practically the concept and calculations of the probability and to understand the basic concepts which are related with the probability, that is calculation of probability. Now material required is only paper, pencil and a die. So let's start our today's activity. Now in this activity you have to take a die which you prepared or you might have at home, then toss it 20 times and each time you have to record your own observation and that you have to note down in the observation table. In case if you are getting number 2, then you have to put a tally mark in the tally marks table, and then if you are getting 4, put the tally marks. Like this total 20 times you have to throw a die. For each time you have to record. After you finish the throwing a die 20 times, your activity is over. Now count the tally marks and write down its frequency. It should be the total must be equals to 20. So in this way you can finish your activity. Based on the above activities and the observations which you get and the frequency, now you have to answer these 3 questions. What is the probability of getting 6? What is the probability of getting 2? And what is the probability of getting 1? And don't forget to write down the learning outcomes as soon as you write the answers of these 3 questions. The learning outcome is what? Basic concepts related to the probability of throwing a die, tossing a die at the time understood. Thank you dear students. Have a nice day.